Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 2007 Jaguar XK edition. Very nice little sporty car we have here at Skyway Classics with a beautiful black exterior. Very nice interior black as well. Automatic on the floor. As you can see, it is a push button start, which is a very nice addition. As for the mileage, it has 84,000 reading from the odometer. If I believe correctly, it has a supercharged engine underneath the hood. As we make this little turn here, we'll open her up a little bit so you can get a little taste of what we got. Very mean sound actually coming from the back, and we're sitting on the inside. As for AC does blow cold. Of course, I can't turn it on right now. Yeah, it's got the push button screen there. As for brakes are very good. Wheel stays as straight as it can be. Got a nice horn. Definitely got a lot of performance behind the wheel. Very nice little sporty car. If you'd like to see more, please visit skywayclassics.com. Take a look at our YouTube channel. As for now, we're going to get this little rat rod turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned.